Hi everyone, I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Today I'd like to share with you how to make Japanese style potato and meat stew called Nikujaga. Niku means meat and jaga is abbreviation of jagaimo, means potato. So Nikujaga. It's really easy to remember. Nikujaga is the most famous and popular Japanese dish that people would think a comfort Japanese home meal, and the flavor from the beef and the vegetables makes this a superb home-style dish. Hi everyone! So, and then Sui-chan, she's now... Sui-chan, 何歳今?
2歳
Yeah, so she now became 2 years old. And she doesn't have nursery today, so that's why she could join today. Sui-chan, how are you? And there are various recipes depending on families here in Japan, and I'd like to share with you my family's standard recipe. And as always, my family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas, so please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Japanese style potato and meat stew called Nikujaga is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。 Ooh, looks so hot. The potato is very flavorful and tender, and beef is to bite and so melty. Thin slices of beef and vegetables, perfectly balanced. Actually, onions play a good role. If you have onigiri and maybe miso soup, Japanese set meal is easily done. ごちそうさまでした。 So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: cut potato into large pieces. If you do that, the flavor goes into the potato very well, and it's so yum. And tip: the thin slices of beef should be lightly sauteed and then removed once done. Tip: cover with a drop lid and stirring occasionally while cooking. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was Nikujaga recipe? I hope this recipe video motivates you to try the popular Japanese home meal. If you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming! I introduce easy, simple, and yummy Japanese recipes, including baby meal, kids meals, also pregnancy meals, and desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye!